Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer, the channel where we show you how to transform your phone into a powerful device. In this video, we will teach you how to use the Ctrl left function on your Android phone. This function allows you to search for a specific word or phrase on any web page, just like you would do on your computer. To use the Ctrl left function on your Android phone, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Chrome app on your Android phone and go to the web page that you want to search. Step 2. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Tap on the option that says Find in Page. This will open a search bar at the top of the screen. Step 4. Type the word or phrase that you want to find on the web page. Chrome will search as you type and highlight the matching text in yellow. You can use the arrows next to the search bar to navigate through the results. To close the keyboard and finish your search, tap on the magnifying glass icon on the right side of the search bar. And that's it. You have successfully used the Ctrl function on your Android phone. You can use this function to quickly find any information that you need on any web page. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more phone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.